Uh, hi. Sorry about the mess. I didn't think you'd actually come here, so wow. Okay, there's actual people here. Hey. Okay, you probably clicked on this maybe because you were curious, or maybe you were scrolling YouTube looking for something real. If that's the case, you're at the right place. Wow, that rhymed. Sorry, I just rhyme when I'm anxious. I'm Ria, and welcome to my. What are you doing? That's also me. I'm making my YouTube channel. Why? I feel like it's a part of my calling, and who's calling? Cut the call, cut the call. Didn't we discuss this? YouTube is what? You know. What? Don't make me say it. Say it. No. Say it. It's cringe. Okay? Excuse me? It's not funny. You're literally ruining my image right now. I was kind of in the middle of introducing myself to whom? To them. Why don't you tell them a little bit about what you do? Hmm? Okay, mom. I'm not giving them my resume, okay? Um, I'm an actress. I'm a filmmaker, and okay, you stop. You're just butchering it right now. Just keep. Wait, what the fuck? Hey everyone, I'm Ria and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful to be able to say this, but I've had the most amazing, fantastic life. Touch wood. Thu, thu, thu. At the age of 16, I started modeling. At 17, I won a beauty pageant. You must have seen me on TV, in hoardings, in the newspaper, on your phone, in ad films, in movies, in web shows, in music videos. I have walked for the best designers of this country, done all of the fashion weeks, all of the red carpets, and been the face of many brands. I am so grateful and fortunate that I get to travel the world, meet new, amazing, exciting people. If there's one thing that I want in this lifetime, it has to be world peace, obviously. But I'm a creator at heart. I just love telling stories. I've been to film school, I've won many screenwriting competitions, I've directed a film for Netflix, wrote a poetry book, I've also given a TED talk actually, and it's really cool. You can check it out on. Shut up! Nobody cares about that. As I was saying, I was born to act. So this whole being real on YouTube nonsense is just not making sense to me. So thank you so much for your time, but you can continue doom scrolling now. Yeah? Bye! Toodles! But I want to do this. You can't. Why? You know why. What? Okay, because log kya kahenge? Hmm? Come no, on. Really. You're going to sit in your chaddi and talk about what? Mental health? Yeah, that was one of the. Wow, Ria, so original. You know, the screen you appear on keeps getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller every year. It's called a thumbnail for a reason. It's literally this small. Great career progression. I'm just going to be real. And what is the real you? Your lame jokes? Your bad puns? Your random facts about animals? Books? Who even reads books nowadays? I do. Yeah, exactly. Nerd. I just want to be me. Really? All the best. You know what? Yeah. You're right. This is dumb. Screw this. Hey, it's okay. Let's just go back to Instagram. We'll post a few hot pictures and whatever is trending right now. I think it's the coquette core aesthetic. We'll put a few filters and wait for creepy comments from middle-aged men. Hmm? Yeah. Also, What are you wearing? That silhouette does nothing for you. Change it. Listen! What's that on your skin? Is that pigmentation? Where? Watch this. Do you think it's because of that new serum? Where is it? I don't really see it. Actually, my skin looks really nice. Oh! What the fuck? About time I did that. You know how it is. All of us have our inner critic or inner critica, if you will. You like that name? Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Ria and welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe I said that. I have finally said it. After years of battling self-doubt, as you could see, I have finally done what I have wanted to do as a child. I know it might look very glamorous, but over the last 7 years, I have lived about 14 different identities. Not just as the characters that I have played, but as the identities that I have tried to be. Always people-pleasing, always trying to be somebody else, always being anything but my own self. Does that sound like you? I've had an amazing career which I'm very, very grateful for, but I've also grown up in a typical desi middle class household with opinions coming at me from every side. I've moved cities alone, faced massive identity crisis, dated the wrong people, been the wrong person. I've lost friends who I thought would be there with me forever and felt completely lost and insignificant. And if any of that sounds like you, this channel is exactly for you. I have lived the highs of being a literal heroine on a film set and the lows of loneliness and crying in my room thinking that I have the shittiest life in the world. But the good thing is, since I've seen so much so fast and so early on in life, every time my friends come to me for advice on literally anything, confidence, how to deal with your toxic ex, or just how to survive a desi family, I've always kind of killed it. Yeah, it's my flex actually. I am great at explaining things in a way that our brain-rotted, doom-scrolling Gen Z brain can understand, while making you feel seen and roasted. So I thought, why don't I do exactly that on the internet for free while entertaining y'all? See, acting is my profession, but honestly, I am so done acting in real life. And you're also acting. All of us are acting. No, Ria, I'm not acting. Yes, you are. Think about it. You're different with your parents, different with your teachers, different with your friends, different with that other group of friends who you're trying to impress, and completely different when you're alone. So, who are you, IRL? We don't even realize it, but we are constantly chasing validation from someone or something. And like that, your life is just fading away. So on this channel, I'm going to teach you how to drop the act and take charge of your life, make actual memories, not just for your highlight reel. See, I used to hate the internet, okay? Because it made me hate myself. But then I realized I've been thinking about it all wrong. The internet is a part of our life and we can't change that. But at least we can be our best selves while floating around in this crazy, uncertain world. Because if there's one thing you can be certain about, it should be yourself, right? So what is this channel going to be about? Let me tell you what it's not about. No getting ready with me, no skincare routines, no fashion hauls, no styling videos. I am not going to tell you what you should look like. Honestly, no one should. No getting coffee randomly in the afternoon from some cute cafe for no reason. We all have important shit to do. No soft girl delusional manifesting whatever you want in life. No hustle bro ranting about how you suck in life if you've not leveled up yet. This is not a channel where we gossip about celebrities and break down their fashion disasters. Honestly, this channel is a movement. This channel is where you come when your brain feels like Bangalore traffic at 2 a.m. at night. This channel should feel like a FaceTime with your cooler cousin who's got at least some of their shit together. Because see, honestly, your life doesn't need fixing. You don't need fixing. You are already cool. You just need to see it. And I'm the freaking LASIK surgery which is gonna fix your vision. It's really funny that I'm cracking a LASIK surgery joke when I'm literally going to the doctor after this to get my eyes checked for a LASIK surgery. My power is crazy, it's like -5. The point is, we are all on the same roller coaster, and once in a while, I'm gonna vomit out some fun, important gyan. And if it falls on you, very good. Sorry, not sorry about my analogies. Okay, see, I'm not going to tell you to blindly subscribe to this channel, okay? Before you subscribe, I really want you to think, who are you, IRL? Your opinions are formed by whom? Your likes and dislikes are created by whom? Are they created by Instagram, your friends, your parents, your dog, your grandparents, or you? If the answer is anything other than you, then babes, you need to follow me right now, okay? And if you indeed are in control of your life, very good. You should still follow me because I will teach you how to sharpen that axe. And because I'm pretty, duh. What's crazy is I have used YouTube only for audition videos. And no. Before you ask, they are all private. You can't see them. No. But now I'm making videos for you. So that makes you the director. तो आप क्या चाहते हैं डायरेक्टर साहब? डायरेक्टर साहब? डायरेक्टर साहब? डायरेक्टर साहब? I want this to be your freaking group chat, your movie. I want this to be the most engaged community of friends on the internet. What you say goes. What you want happens, as it should in life. So let's make it happen. Tell me in the comments the exact topics you are confused about, you want to talk about, you are excited about, or just anything in general that you think I should make videos about. But I also want this channel to be a safe space and a real as F place, okay? So I'm gonna drop a link in the description which you can go to and you can write to me about anything that you want, anything that you're struggling with, and babe, I will eat that shit up. I love it. My middle name is basically Agony Aunt. You know that Ask the Sexpert column that used to come in the newspaper? Yeah, just like that, but just a little less tharki, okay? Yeah, I know I said this is a safe space and all, but please don't ask me things like whether it's okay to lick your girlfriend's armpits, okay? Because if you click the link in the description, you will also become a part of the exclusive community. Wow, exclusive community. Not your OnlyFans. Exclusive group with whom I will discuss every single video idea before dropping it. This life is one big meme, and I'm here to help you decode it so that you can laugh at it and share it with your friends. Buddy, we are writing a coming of age redemption arc not just for ourselves but for this entire generation, and this YouTube channel is where it happens. And you, my dear, you are so early to the party, maybe for the first time in your life. If you vibe with any of that, you need to subscribe to this channel now, and you need to go and subscribe to your own life, IRL. Behen ki dake! If you get that reference, you're OG. Share this video with somebody who needs it. And like, share, subscribe. Wow. Can I be in? Subscribe. Woo!
7